Hello guys, how's your day? Long time no see. Today let me introduce this multifunctional power strap to you. This multifunctional power strap, it looks like this. And first you can see, this is tower extension lead, and so that it can save space and to be neat. And next, see, here is a smart and adjustable night light, and the night light powers 3 levels of warm light or cool light, illuminational dim mode or bright mode. Very smart and very adjustable. And you can see it is vertical design and with multi-outlets. It is 30-in-1 with mic line, including 8 AC outlets and then 5 USB ports, and they are all independent switch. Inside has 4 independent switch and then including 1 night line. And this power strap including 7-point safety system to protect your electricity equipment in many ways, such as short circuit protection and overland protection, lightning protection, and fireproofing. And this multifunctional power strap, you can use it for at home or at office, both is okay. So if you like it and just got it, my dear friend.